I am Professor Zora Khanum, obstetrician and gynecologist. It's very important we should know about the causes of bleeding during pregnancy and to treat it properly and timely. एक normal pregnancy में throughout the pregnancy in 9 months there should be no bleeding. But if it occurs, that all depends कि कौन से महीने में हुई है और उसकी cause क्या है. Early months of pregnancy में it can be just factors relating to abortion, or if it's not treated properly and timely it can lead to abortion. जो लेट प्रेगनेंसी है द कॉजेज में बी रिलेटिंग टू आइदर इट्स रिलेटेड टू प्लेसेंटा की जो either placement is not at the right place, it's a low lying placenta that is called the placenta previa, or it's because of the abrasion placenta, or it may be other causes that may be relating to either cervix or genital tract problems. It's very important because it's very warning signs and symptoms. If there is a bleeding during pregnancy, either even it's the mildest form. So that my advice is that whenever there is even a spotting or the pinkish discharge or bleeding during pregnancy, please consult your doctor timely so that it's a life saving for mother and the baby, because there is no doubt about it that every pregnancy should be a healthy pregnancy with a healthy outcome, healthy mother, healthy baby.